In this video, I'm going to show you how you can record a voiceover in Canva. So you will have a use case for this, and you can add your recording to either a video or a presentation. So what you need to do is go to Canva and then find the project you want to add your recording to. So I'm adding mine to this video here. This is just an example video from Canva. Now you can see this video is 1 minute and 57 seconds long, and I'm going to record and add a voiceover. So if you click share in the top right hand corner, you can then go to present. So once you've clicked on present, it's then going to bring you 4 options. You want to click present and record. Once you've done that, click next, and it will then ask you to go to the recording studio. From here, you can then choose if you want to enable your webcam, and you also want to make sure you go to the microphone section and choose the microphone that you want to use. Once you're happy with that, go ahead and click start recording, and then a countdown timer will appear. And now you will be recording, so you'll know you're recording because this timer is going up. Now what you can do, you can play the video, so we can go ahead and play the video. We can go through the next slides, and what I'm doing here is commentating the recording, right? We can also pause it and end the recording here. So once we're done, click end recording, and then this recording will then be created. From here you can see your recording link is ready. Now what we're going to do is click download, and that is going to download our video here. Okay, so here is our video. We can now go ahead and open it, and if I play it, you're going to hear my recording. So you'll know you're recording because this timer is going up. So that's how to do it. I hope that quick video did help you out.